А, куда идти, непонятно, блин.
Я думаю, сюда.
Вот и отвез нас автобус в неправильное место, блин.
Ну реально.
Да. Это туристический офис, класс!
Да, блин,
пойдем!
реально,
Нам там
пойдем.
помогут!
Думаешь,
Класс!
да?
Привет! Алло, здрасте!
Может, по-английски?
Наверное, лучше по-английски. Hello!
Hey!
Hello! Can we show this place a bit? Because it's our first time here.
Oh, of course I could. I could be a tour guide.
Oh my god, thank you so much!
So you two speak Russian? Yes, we do, and a little bit English. Oh, that's good, because my Russian isn't very good.
Cool.
Is she okay?
Yes, she go to take photos of places here.
Anyways, this is one of the oldest buildings, and a fellow citizen still lives here.
Oh, it's so cool. And what's that?
Oh, that's the castle. Some say there's a legend, but I don't really know it.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
I know.
Oh, really?
Could you tell us, please? Yes, I can.
The legend says, if you go in, you never come out.
Oh my god, it's so dramatic.
Oh, well, thank you.
Holly,
Thank you, Holly.
Can we go take a pictures?
Yeah, but it sounds like we can't go inside. We can go on the outside. It's very beautiful.
Oh, okay.
bye then. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
Mommy, can we go and play in the woods?
Yes, of course, but you know the rules.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye.
Just stay away from castle.
Yeah, okay. A beautiful stick like a claw.
Yeah.
See? Oh, my leg.
What's this?
Map.
Ooh, you found a treasure map.
But it's only half of it.
And the code is gone.
Look, the treasure's near the castle. So the code must be there too.
But doesn't the rich family live there?
Yeah, they do.
This child is impossible.
Why did we go and steal him?
It would be best if he just disappeared.
So, boys, what's the plan? How do we get the code?
We can kidnap Henrik. He's their biggest treasure.
We can use Henrik to blackmail them so we get the code.
Good idea, boys. Let's go, boys.
Hello. Look, there's Henry. I'll go play with him and you kidnap him, okay?
Okay.
Hello. Hello. I think we saw each other. No, I don't think so. I don't have any friends. Can I play with you? Yes, of course. This is the code.
coast clear. Yes, it is. Let's go. We kidnapped you. We do with him.
Let's tie him on a tree.
Good idea. Let's go. Here. Good, good.
Why did you kidnap me?
Because we want to get the code to get the money to ourselves because we are very poor. So we had to kidnap you so we can blackmail your mom and dad. We have your son.
And if you come back, give us the code.
Good luck with that. We don't need him anyways. Goodbye.
But I miss him.
What
Wow!
We have your son, and if you want him back, give us the code.
Pardon? You two, go out!
Yes, the kid is finally gone.
Let's celebrate. Bring some drink.
Haha, it's finally my time. Here we go.
Thanks.
Okay, what is the code? One, two, three, 4, 8, 2. Here is the code. Take this to the children and Henry will be free.
Woof! I can help you. I have a code.
Thank you. This is the code.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2.
That's good. Let's go, guys. Code.
What should we do with him now?
Let him be. Let's just leave him alone.
Oh, look! I think this is it.
Look, there is a lot of gold here.
What's this paper? It's a letter addressed to our mom. Let's take it to her.
No! My parents! Oh no, I have to call the police. Hello, police! Please help me, my parents are dead.
It's
time.
He found the map in the woods.
And we kidnapped Henrik to get the treasure.
What?
No worries, now he's okay. We let him go.
Look, money!
So the time is 12:39, 24th of July. So, you're accused of murdering 2 people by poison.
Do you plead guilty?
Yes, I'm plead guilty, but there is a long story.
But why did you kill them?
They are evil. They took my nephew and they don't even like him.
So, why didn't you kill them before?
They cursed me. If I take the child out of the castle, I die. I had to make the plan for my sister to find out.
Mommy, there's a letter in there for you. I think you have to read it. Let's go, guys. Let's leave her alone.
Dear Holly, I'm so sorry I have to write this. Your baby did not die, I took him. I am so sorry. The rich family made me do it and cursed me so I could not bring him home. I'll look after him for you, I promise. Now Hendrik can come home to where he belongs and be with you and his twin brother. Please don't be mad at me. Love your brother.
Now you're accused of murder. You're gonna spend your whole life in jail.
You know that I did the right thing, so maybe we can give pay out 5,000.
Okay. Now you can go.
Don't let me see you again.
Okay, let's celebrate.
2 whiskeys, please. Should we count the money?
help! Something terrible happened.
Oh, Holly, we expected you.
My boys!
It's okay, Holly. We know your boys have been hunting for treasure.
They found.
The money? Yes. Don't worry, we can take care of it.
But what about
Your treasure, he's right here.
Hendrik!
Henrik? Hendrik!
Brother!
They
How
saw
are you?
someday.
Long time no see. Exactly.